teachers spend countless hours grading, planning lessons, and managing endless paperwork. It's overwhelming, frustrating, and time-consuming. But what if AI could save you hours every week, while keeping your teaching effective and engaging? Welcome to Teachsmarter AI, the channel that helps educators save time, reduce stress, and use artificial intelligence to transform their classrooms. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step tutorials on how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, practical ways to speed up lesson planning and grading, reviews of AI apps that make teaching easier, and honest discussions about the future of AI in education. Our mission is simple: to help teachers work smarter, not harder. With the right AI tools, you can free up more time for your students, boost creativity, and make teaching less stressful. So, if you're ready to embrace the future of education and take back your time, subscribe to Teach Smarter AI and join our community of educators using AI to teach smarter.